Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I want to take a minute and show you this beautiful bike. We work on a ton of bikes, and this is a new color for us, Atlas Silver. This is new for 2023. And just check out how beautiful this Street Glide is. Came into us to do a huge audio upgrade. No matter how beautiful they are, they normally don't sound good when they roll out of the factory. So this one got the SoundStream HDHU14SI. So he's got the upgraded radio with the custom gauges. A lot better sound quality going into his amp. But we also put the Hertz SP 4.900, that huge 1,000 watt RMS, 2,000 watt peak amplifier with new Hertz speakers. So coaxial speakers in the front, the new Hertz cut-in kits with the SX696 spines in the back. But here's the kicker. I also got 2 subwoofers, 1 in each bag to give that low bass. So I want to take a chance to show you this beautiful bike, but I'm also going to do a walkaway and let you hear just how awesome this system sounds. So let's do a walkaway real quick, so hang out and watch the rest. All right, so let's get this walkaway going. We're gonna play some of our copyright-free music. Loud and clear. Look how small that bike is, but just how loud it is. Again, Hertz SX165 Neos in the front, SX690s in the lids, and 2 Precision Power XD drop-in subwoofers. This thing is absolutely awesome. If you want to get this done to your bike, reach out to us at Volunteer Audio, 1-844-30-AUDIO. You can also check out all of our packages at volunteeraudio.com. We'd love to hear from you, go over those options, help you pick the right system for your bike. Thank you so much for watching our channel on YouTube. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. You can also like the video, that'll help us move up in search standings. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.